I'll work on getting this thing cleaned up. You can see it's got some blue. There is some color under that grime somewhere. Probably find some rust too. That's probably not going to be perfect, but we're just going to get a lot of this gunk off of here. As I said in the past video, I was just trying to do as much as I can do, save myself some money on the machine costs, someone else's labor costs, getting it tore apart. It's not real hard to undo some bolts, and if that can save you a couple $100, then why not? But instead of standing here looking at my backside, I'm gonna put this on a time lapse. Got some foaming degreaser. Use your old cans first. I don't know if you can tell, this got a bunch of gunk on it. See? From sitting around. This is from last year. I got new cans over there. Rotate your stuff out just like the stores do. Put the old stuff first, new stuff in the back. Well, that didn't work. Old can's busted. Let's try this new one. There we go. I'll get all that picked up too. My dogs will be out here trying to eat it. Get all this sprayed off the ground, diluted. Get them nooks and crannies. This is going to take some elbow grease. This spray isn't like a cure-all. It's going to loosen this shit up, but it's not going to get rid of it entirely. I said not perfect, but a lot better than what it was. Make out these numbers yet? Huh? Anybody? with some brake clean. Old Milwaukee fuel. I bought a weed whacker. So I got a tore up spine. I can't handle the vibrations from a gas powered weed whacker anymore. So I bought their weed whacker chainsaw combo. It's a pole saw attachment that you can put on it, but it came with the 8.0 battery, high output. Works pretty well. We're damn near clean. Oh boy. Still not the final stage. I said we're hitting the whole thing with the power washer.